Assure. Assure. To promise or tell something to someone confidently or firmly. To promise or tell something to someone confidently or firmly. I assure you the project will be completed on time. The captain assured his passengers that the ship was safe to ride. I assured my mother that I would be back home by 10. Insure. Insure. To secure or guarantee. To secure or guarantee. The system ensures equal access to education for all children. The book ensured his success. The school ensures employment for all graduates. Insure. Insure. To guarantee against loss or harm. Arrange for compensation in the event of damage to or loss of property, or injury to or the death of someone. It is advisable to insure your life against accident. That car should be insured for £2,500. By appeasing Celia, they might insure themselves against further misfortune.